Hello everyone, Apple Buff here. Welcome back to the channel, and in this video we're gonna check out a protective case for the iPad Pro. So without a further ado, let's roll the video. So the case is coming from the house of NeoPack, who are quite a known figure in the business of making tech accessories in India. And for today's video, they have sent me a case from the Defender series for my 2020 iPad Pro to test it out. Plus, before I forget, I would like to mention the fact that the link to the site is in the description, so don't forget to check that out. In terms of packaging, the case itself comes in a strong box that opens like a book as it has magnets. In the front, you get the name of the company, the case series, and the visual representation of the case. While on the other hand, if you flip the box, you will find quite the useful information about the case that is being printed along with the price tag. So with all that being mentioned, let's open this up and see how the case looks like. Okay, so this is the Defender case, and I got this in the black shade, and apparently I would be rocking this case on my 2020 iPad Pro. So my initial impressions for the Defender case would be, although it's light in weight, but it absolutely gives a complete 360-degree protection to the iPad. And along with providing a complete 360-degree protection, there are some really notable features of the case that are worth checking it out. Number 1. Dedicated slot for Apple Pencil. So if you have an Apple Pencil, you can use the space to keep it and charge. Number 2. All the ports and the buttons on the iPad are easily accessible through the case. Plus, the case also supports a 3-fold flip dynamics that ticks the box of iPad being used for entertainment. Number 3. Since the case comes with raised edges on all 4 corners, it even provides a tested drop protection up to 2 meters. By the way, the Defender case supports 2 angles that are 30 degree, that's best for typing, and viewing angle of 65 degrees. And last but not the least, my personal favorite, transparent back. I really love the way how the case is transparent from the back. I'm really impressed. At last, at a price tag of Rs 3000, this is absolutely a tough and a sustainable case to look out for your iPad. So with that being said, this is Apple Buff signing off. Catch you in the next one. Till then, peace.